Is there any particular reason that Brazilians have been able to leave a great mark on the ISL? And even the Spaniards have also proven that they are the current best. Okay, so is there any reason that,
No,
okay, I
actually,
mean, there must be a point that why the Brazilians and the Spanish are so successful in the ISL. It could be like that, okay, their style and our Indian playing style are almost similar. That's not physical, like the England and African players played. The physical, fully physical body contact game. But in India, in Brazil and in Spanish and in Spain, we have found that they play more skillfully and more playing with the ball and this kind of soft play we are used to have we are habituated. So is this the reason that Brazilian and Spanish have played most elegantly and beautifully in the ISL?
no, actually, one thing you must know that in Indian football, dominance of Nigerians, African football.
Okay.
Actually, the foreigners who used to come to our country to play in Indian football, it started heavily in the third or fourth I League, which you can say NFL, National Football League. Now huge number of foreigners from all over the world, come to India and play in I League or with different clubs like Mohun Bagan East Bengal, Mohammedan Sporting, Tempo, Churchill, Salgaoka, Sporting Club de Goa, then Mahindra United, and now the team like Mumbai FC, Pune FC. So this is not the fact. Fact is but the thing is this, that Nigerians, the dominance of Nigeria is the best in Indian football.
Achha.
More than 100 footballers, since, for the last 20 years have come to India and play in the football. The dominance of the Brazilian players like Barreto and other footballers like Junior who died in 2004 Fed Cup final. But still Brazilians, British footballer, the Liberian footballer, African footballer, so many footballers come different times in India to play in different clubs. In I League, 4 foreigners, can entitled to play for one team in I League.
But sir, dominance in terms of quantity or dominance in terms of quality?
No, actually dominance in terms of quantity and also quality. Do
Okay.
you know in Indian football history, the highest ever goal scorer, actually, in 50s or 60s, nobody, is interested to count the goals, keep the records, But I have tried my level best and find it out that when Inder Singh played, do you have name? Inder Singh is one of the best footballer ever produced by India. So Inder Singh played so many goals, but nobody knows. Even Inder Singh don't know how many goals he has scored. Because when Punjab, when they played for Jalandhar, for JCT later on, and when they go to play to southern part of our country, particularly Bangalore, and Inder Singh used to goal in every matches. In one Santosh Trophy, Santosh Trophy is the national football tournament of our country. Inder Singh scored 23 goals in one particular Santosh Trophy. You know it. So almost 50 goals he has scored in Santosh Trophy only. Yeah. So, but interesting. What I have got, approx almost 300 goals he has scored in his career. But one foreigner, he is Nigerian, Odafe Okoye, the highest goal scorer ever in Indian football, scoring, approx 320 goals in Indian club football. In Indian club football only. Royalty Martins is approaching 300. So it is not quantity. Quality also. In Indian football, the Nigerians, the Africans are most successful rather than other footballers like other parts. Brazilian also come, they got success like Barreto scored more than 200 goals, Barreto is outstanding, He has scored 2,075 goals. It is 276 goals. 276 goals Barreto also scored in Indian club football. He is in Brazilian. That Emeka Ezugo, he came in Indian football. First 2 footballers who have created sensation in Indian club football, was Majid Baskar and Jamshed Nasri. Jamshed Nasri is the first foreigner to score 100 goals in Indian club football. So it is not only quantity, quality also is there. Chidi Ede scored 200 goals. And, Yusuf Yakubu, he's not Nigerian, but He has scored more than goals. So we must consider the dominance of Indian football. The dominance of the Nigerians, not only on quantity but also on quality.